Hi neighbors, yes, under all of this, the cap, the gown, and even the shoes, yes, it's me. I am about to do surgery. And I look scared, but I'm really not. But more about the surgery later. So you're going first?
So neighbors, morning, top of the morning, it's a Monday, May 1, start of a new month. And we're driving past, it's not Apple Baby. We're driving past this lovely tree, a palm tree, that has this, it is very appealing. And so we said, let us try it. In the Bible, I think Eve at first.
No
right?
man, go on through.
But no, see, Eve telling Adam to eat. If you know that it's poisonous, maybe you will able to see this video. But still leave it in the comments. We did some research, by the way, that said that all the palm things are edible.
They're not all sweet. Some of them are fibrous like a coconut, which I'm suspecting that this one might be.
So it look like a plum. It's not sweet.
It's not sweet.
No, it's not sweet at all, but
It's bitter?
not bitter, no. It's almost tasteless.
Okay.
So 10 out of 10 don't recommend.
Because some varieties are very sweet. This one obviously is not one of those.
Yeah, it is a bit.
But I would love if we could plant one of those sweet varieties. I hear the pindo palm in that people grow it in the south, in Florida and the southern states, to make jams and jellies and preserves and things like that.
Okay.
So
I want to move again. Hope you have a great Monday.
but it leaves a fresh taste in the mouth.
It's alright. It's not something to go for. Don't go for it, guys. Bye bye.
I bet you guys are thinking that I'm in the hospital because I ate one of those things. But let me put your mind at ease. That is not why I am here. I am here because I haven't been feeling so well. I've been feeling out of sorts. And so I have a diagnostic procedure to do. I'll be in and out on the same day. So I have my IV access line and yeah, I'm waiting for my doctor. So any moment now, it's gonna come. They're gonna whisk me off the third. Aww. So the whole time I was being prepped for surgery, in surgery, recovering from surgery, Paul actually had Eden and Ava. He dropped me off at like 7:30 in the morning, and from I was in the hospital, didn't get out until 3 o'clock. He had them the whole time. And let me tell you, that is no easy task because he had to be juggling. He had to be juggling work and he had to be juggling them, and he had to be getting lab and everything paid for me, all of these things. But he handled it like a boss.
Eating? Why don't eat the biscuits? Why just eating the cream? You see the condition on the car that doesn't leave the car in already, and it's just 8 o'clock. Ava, eat the biscuit, don't just eat the cream. Oh boy.
You know, most of the times when we do these vlogs, you guys see the smiles and the happy faces, but we have difficulties. And we don't show those a lot, but believe me, we experience them. And on a day like today, when I am down, it's just Paul. There's nobody else cleaning up the messes. There's nobody else bathing the children, combing their hair, making them breakfast. It's just us. And it's hard. You don't get days off. Even when you're sick, they still need you. You still have to be the one who is there to console them. You still have to look after them. And whether you have 5 kids or 1, you know, when you have work to do and there are other demands on you, you still have to put them first.
No problem.
They don't stop being your kids. So in spite of whatever else may be happening around us, no matter how tired we are, we still have to push. We still have to give it everything we have. We still have to give it whatever we have left. Because we love them. They're our babies. They need us. And so, even if we don't feel like it, we still have to be there for them. We can call on other family members, yes, to chip in, and we accept whatever help we get. And we teach them, we try to teach them to be independent. But we push and hope that, as thankless as it might seem, we will be rewarded one day. Seeing them grow up and seeing them take on the world. Let's see what Paul is doing for dinner. What's for dinner?
I told you, Aki.
Aki.
So still in me cook the Aki. And don't have anything to eat with the Aki. Don't have any boiled food. Any yam or anything that I could do. Some breadfruit in the fridge, but it's been there for a while. So I have to make a stop at our trusted food vendor to get some provisions to finish the meal. Easy bicycle, man. Everybody okay?
Yes.
Had a good day at school?
Yes.
This is alright?
Yes.
Eat and everybody had a good day at home? Okay. No complaining. Yeah, let's see what he has there now. And at today pair. And tomorrow papa at today pair. Red fruit. Ow! But that's what it is as a parent, neighbors. Yeah, we're going home basically now, babe. All I got was, breadfruit. I never remember no respect here. I got my breadfruit. All I got was breadfruit, yam, Irish, pear, and a papa. But yeah, that's why it is as being a parent. It's very hectic. My days start at around 4 or 4:30 to ensure that Hannah is up to catch the bus. Actually, I have to take her to catch the bus at a location in Portmore to meet up with the bus, and then from there come back home, get the children ready for school, work. It's just hectic all day around. It's hectic all day long until about 7:30 when Leila and Zahra and either fight the sleep and fight you to go to sleep. Then they get up the next day and eat all over again. So what I'm going to do now is get some coconut water from a gentleman in Greater Portmore. But what I always remember, I always try to, at some point in the day, tell myself is that is the declaration in Psalm 118 that says, "This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it." It's not a matter of, yeah, let's rejoice. It's cool. What I start doing is that, yes, baby, I still finished. What I start doing is that at some point in the day, I say, "God, thank you for making this day and allowing me to be able to participate in this day that you have made." Because it's not promised and it shouldn't be taken lightly. Yes, Leila? Jello, you get Jello next time. Yes, who is calling me? Ian or Ava?
Yeah.
What you want? Shoes? No worry. Alright. Okay. You soon get Jello. Tomorrow you get Jello, okay? That's okay, Zahra? Alright. So, with that said, I need to finish my akid, you know. Either with the breadfruit or the yam and potato, but either way, get some food, get the evening start to settle down. So, being good neighbors. This is the last time you hear from me for today, for this vlog, then that's it. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next vlog.